Why even spend more than $1,000 when something like this exists? This is the Xiaomi 14T Pro that offers 120-watt charging, flagship MediaTek 9300 Plus chip for incredible performance, Leica-tuned 50-megapixel main camera sensor, long battery life, and much more, making the Xiaomi 14T Pro probably the most affordable Pro phone you can buy this year. I've been using this for about a week and also tested out the standard Xiaomi 14 so we can have a bit of a comparison. Took the 14T Pro with me to Rainfall, Switzerland, a place that I always wanted to see, took a lot of videos, and had a lot of fun. While I was testing out the 14T Pro, the very first thing I noticed that made a lot of difference compared to my Samsung and Apple usage is the ridiculous 120-watt fast charging. Like, this is ridiculous. My iPhone 16 Pro takes about nearly 2 hours to charge fully from 0 to 100%. S24 Ultra takes 1 hour 22 minutes, while this beast of a phone takes only 19 minutes to charge completely, which is absolutely insane. Now, it's not just the super fast, ridiculous fast charging, we're also getting a really good battery performance as well. A 5000 mAh battery that delivers pretty much the same level of battery performance as the S24 Ultra or my iPhone 16 Pro Max. Now, Xiaomi has implemented intelligent fast charging with this phone, meaning your phone will get healthy charge for that battery longevity. So yeah, being able to charge your phone in just 19 minutes is pretty insane. Now, let's talk about design. The 14T series has a very Xiaomi looking design on them. I've got the Titan Black version of the 14T Pro that has a textured back that looks pretty cool with a high-end 6M13 grade aluminum frame for increased durability. We've got massive triple camera lenses on the back, of course, Leica-tuned with the LED flash. I like how Xiaomi has kept the same kind of design look for both 14T and the 14T Pro. Let me know what you think about the design in the comments below. Now, that's not the only thing that Xiaomi has kept the same. We actually have the same display as well. So this is a 144Hz OLED display with 1.5K resolution and 4000 nits of peak brightness. Like, this is genuinely one of the brightest display phones you can buy on the market. You're literally getting twice the peak brightness compared to the iPhone 16 Pro Max, which is kind of insane at this price. It's so insane that in 2024, we're getting brighter and smoother displays for half the price of top-end flagships. Watching media on the screen is great, so is the gaming performance thanks to the MediaTek 9300 Plus chip. It's a proper flagship chip that can handle pretty much anything you can throw at it. I've been playing the Call of Duty Warzone at absolute high settings with my PS5 controller, and the experience was buttery smooth. Now, this same kind of performance really translates into the software experience as well, as we have a really smooth animation system going on. I haven't had any issues whatsoever. Now, this is running Xiaomi HyperOS with Android 14. We're definitely going to get the Android 15 update very soon. It is packed with a lot of customization features, from a ton of lock screen tweaks to always-on mode customization to charging animations that you can also change depending on what you like, and being able to transform the whole UI thanks to the amazing free themes you can get from Xiaomi's theme engine. For me, software smoothness really matters, and I'm seeing the same kind of experience I had with the Xiaomi 14 earlier this year. It's smooth and consistent. And now this UI is powered by Google's Cloud AI features. With this, you get full access to Gemini and Gemini Live. It's a powerful Cloud AI solution that can help you solve pretty much any of your problems, even the most complex ones. Plus, I love the Gemini Live, which allows me to have a natural conversation with the AI. It's almost like I'm talking to a friend. It's so good. Now, moving on to the camera performance, we have the Light Fusion 900 image sensor. This is a 50 megapixel custom Xiaomi sensor similar to the Xiaomi 14 that I tested out earlier this year with the Leica optical lens. So as tested before, it's a good lens for image performance in pretty much all kinds of lighting situations. Especially in the most challenging low light situation, you get quite a lot of detail. I've been shooting photos in the Leica authentic mode. I really like how the colors get tuned with this kind of setting, great HDR performance and noise reduction. Now, Xiaomi focused massively on the video performance earlier this year with the 14 series, and now we get the same kind of performance on the 14T Pro. So you can shoot videos up to 8K 30 FPS, or you can shoot 4K 60, 4K 30, or my favorite, which is the 4K 60 log video, so you can color grade or tweak the video however you please. Honestly, I'm really happy to see the video improvements this year that Xiaomi has abroad, Xiaomi is offering one of the best video performing cameras at this price. So what's the verdict? Well, judging from everything that Xiaomi 14T Pro backs at this price, it really is a very affordable Pro flagship phone of the year that is clearly punching above the weight. For example, the iPhone 16 Pro Max or the Galaxy S24 Plus or the Ultra. Of course, depending on your market, there will be certain differences of the pricing. As much as I've enjoyed the 14T Pro, if you want to save even more money, you have the standard Xiaomi 14, which shares the same screen. It still has a Leica-tuned 50 megapixel sensor, not the same as the 14T Pro, but still a high megapixel capable sensor for various scenarios. You get a downclock, but still pretty powerful MediaTek 8300 Ultra chip, along with 67-watt fast charging, which is still more than Apple and Samsung. All of this with about $100 to $120 cheaper price, again, depending on your market. If you really want to save money, you can definitely go with the standard model. As always, let me know what you think in the comment section below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.